Hi YouTube family, and welcome into this video, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to be introducing you to a new palette that I got. I found this palette on Facebook. You know, they always have on your feed, they have advertisements, and I found this palette on there. This is the Valentine Palette, and it says Scarlett on it. I do not know who the maker of this is other than Valentine Palette. I think that probably a company very close to Morphe, because this is a 35 pan palette. The packaging is very similar to Morphe's their 35 palette. So I would say that this palette is my new Lush favorite. I think this thing is so pretty, you guys. There are just these gorgeous mixtures of satins, shimmers, metallics, and mattes. They're just absolutely beautiful. You go anywhere from your plums, your purples, a lot of pinks, some reds, and a few little dabs of like orange and a little bit of like burnt orange in there, with a little bit of, you know, we have to throw in your basic neutral color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch this on my arm for you so that you can see it, and then I'll give you my thoughts about it. Okay, you guys, so there they are all swatched right there. 35 different shades. Some of them do look very similar, but they are just very good quality, I have found. I think that they're every bit as good a quality as ColourPop. The mattes are really good in it, and they are very blendable, and they work really well. When I first saw this palette, and I saw it on, there was a little like video clip of it, and they actually ran the colors underwater and then rubbed the arm for showing like that it was waterproof, I guess. But I think that that would be better served if you had a primer on your arm first, or on your eyes. They do last a long time. I am wearing this on my eyes today, and I do absolutely love it. I actually took this bright pink right here, and I mixed it with a little bit of this color over here, which is more of like a mauve color, excuse me. And then I did my transition color, and then I took these two colors right here are all over my lid, and then I took this color right here, which looks very fuchsia, but it is kind of a muted dark pink, and I mixed it with this, let's see, and then I mixed it with this purple color over here to do my outer V out there, and then under my eyes too. So I think this is a gorgeous palette. It's identical in the way that it's set up as to Morphe's also, you know, in all of their shadow palettes. So I think that it's a really good value for all of those, especially if you're one that loves pinks and plums and purples and reds. I think it's a really good value. I do believe that it was $35 the last time I saw it, and I think there's shipping on top of that. So I hope that you enjoyed this really quick swatch video, and me giving you my thoughts on it and how it wears. By the way, it does wear really well throughout the day. The colors blend together just gorgeously. I think that it's a winner for me, but I'm a palette addict, as you guys know so well. So this was a really nice addition to my collection. So that's everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy me doing these quick little run-throughs of products that I'm really enjoying, and let me know, because that means a lot for me to know whether or not it is something that you guys want, is just, you know, a quick overview of one single product that I have that I feel like it's an investment, and you guys need to know whether or not it's worth it. So that's it. I love you guys so very much. I hope that you're having an amazing week, and I will see you in my very next video. Love ya. Bye.